So see how the refrigerator is working or heat pump is working, that we have to discuss now. Now you can see that this is a diagram of a heat engine. It is a diagram of heat engine that I have explained. In the heat engine, we are knowing that boiler, turbine, condenser and pump. These are the components, and 1, 2 is the heat addition process, 2 to 3 is the compression expansion process, in which you will get the WT as a work output. 3, 4 is the heat rejection process which is occurring in the condenser, and 4 to 1 is a pump work in which you will add the work pump. So these are the 4 processes which are happening in the heat engine. But as I have said that the refrigerator and heat pumps are completely reverse of this. Completely reverse of this. So that for comparison purpose I am putting the both figures simultaneously. Okay, see both the same things are going to happen, only thing is that reverse processes are happening. Everything is going to be reversed in refrigerator and heat pump as that of the heat engine. Heat engine मध्ये जे होतं त्याच्या उलट एक्झॅक्टली उलट रेफ्रिजरेटर आणि हीट पंप मध्ये होतं. तर ते कसं होतं, लेट अस डिस्कस इट. फॉर दॅट पर्पज आय हॅव गिवन दिस डायग्राम हिअर. So see here that the first component we will discuss, that is what, the this turbine component. Okay, so let us consider that we will have a air. आपण काय करू कन्सिडर की आता एअर कन्सिडर करू. रेफ्रिजरेशन कसं होतं, एक्झॅक्टली कुलिंग कसं होतं, दॅट इज व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग that I am going to explain now. Very interesting thing that I am going to explain now, that how the refrigeration or air conditioning or cooling is taking place, that I am going to explain right now. So see the air which is at atmospheric condition, okay, which is at atmospheric condition, that is near about 30 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure is there. साधारण ॲटमॉस्फिअरचं टेम्परेचर किती असतं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, तर 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड असेल आणि 1 ॲटमॉस्फिरिक प्रेशर असेल. सो ती एअर समजा आपण घेतली. नाउ यू कॅन कॉम्प्रेस दॅट एअर. ओके, सो लेट अस कन्सिडर दॅट कॉम्प्रेशन. या केसमध्ये टर्बाईन होतात, टर्बाईनच्या केसमध्ये काय होत होतं, एक्सपान्शन होत होतं. या केसमध्ये तुम्ही काय करणार आहात, कॉम्प्रेशन करणार, रिव्हर्स करायचे. आपल्याला ही सगळी प्रोसेस रिव्हर्स करायची. वी हॅव टू रिव्हर्स ऑल दीज प्रोसेसेस. सो instead of turbine you will have the compressor. So in compressor what you will do, you will compress the air which is at temperature of 30 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. Now for this compression purpose what you required external work, and that is electricity. For compression purpose you have to supply the work. In this case you are getting the work, but here what you do, you have to add the work, and that work we are adding as a electricity. So electricity is supplied to the compressor, so that will compress the air. Now when you compress that air, what will happen about the pressure and temperature? See, if you are considering the air, which we can assume that it is ideal gas, then in that case you are knowing that as the pressure is increased, means compression is taking place, pressure is increased, and due to which the temperature is also increased. Pressure is increased, temperature is increased. So you can have the pressure of 10 atmosphere after this, due to which the temperature is increased to the 100 degrees centigrade. See, these values are approximate values. I have not calculated exactly, but just I am going to put it for your understanding purposes. Okay, so don't consider that these are the exact values that should be there. See, you can calculate it by using the ideal gas laws, no problem. But right now I have not calculated it by using the ideal gas laws also. So if you want to calculate, you can calculate it. So if you compress the 1 atmospheric pressure or 1 bar pressure air to 10 bar pressure, the temperature is increased by 30 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade, and you are going to supply the electricity as a work here. Okay, now what is happening in the next step? See, here you are adding the heat, and that is a boiler. So you are converting the water to what? The vapors. Now the reverse of that, there is a condenser. So you can say that, see, in this case we are considering the air, so that's why it may not be condensed. but you can consider any vapor of refrigerant. Suppose रेफ्रिजरेटरचा रेफ्रिजरंट घेतला, कोणताही रेफ्रिजरंट घेतला आणि त्या रेफ्रिजरंटच्या वेपर्सला तुम्ही जर कॉम्प्रेस केलं, and then if you pass through this condenser, if you pass through the condenser, then the condenser will reject the heat. Condenser will reject the heat. Condenser मध्ये काय करतो आपण की we are cooling that vapors. You are cooling that vapors and you are rejecting the heat. So that cooling is taken place by from 100 degrees centigrade to the atmospheric conditions. 100 degrees centigrade to atmospheric conditions. See 100 degree centigrade टेम्परेचर आपल्याला मिळालेलं आहे वेपरचं आणि ॲटमॉस्फिअरचं टेम्परेचर किती आहे तर कन्सिडर केलं की आपण 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड आहे. त्यामुळे वी कॅन कूल these vapors from 100 degree centigrade to the 30 degree centigrade by maintaining the same pressure. You will not change the pressure. Pressure will be same. Only thing is that you will cool the vapors, and due to which the it may be condensed. It may be condensed. So what is going to happen? The heat is rejected. Now where you are rejecting this heat? तुम्ही heat कुठं पाठवताय आता ही heat पाठवताय atmosphere मध्ये. ओके, रेफ्रिजरेटर जर कन्सिडर केला तर ही atmosphere मध्ये जाते आणि heat pump कन्सिडर केला तर ही रूम मध्ये जाते. Okay, so let us consider the refrigerator. Don't we will not confuse everything. So just let us consider that the refrigerator. तुमचा फ्रीज आहे, फ्रीज कन्सिडर करा, फ्रीज कन्सिडर करा. तर फ्रीज मध्ये आपण काय करतो की कंडेन्सर मध्ये हीट रिजेक्ट करतो आणि ती हीट बाहेर ऍटमॉस्फिअरला दिली जाते. त्याच्यामुळे काय झालं की यू विल हॅव द लो टेम्परेचर बट हाय प्रेशर लिक्विड ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरंट. High pressure and low temperature liquid of the refrigerant. Now this is passed through the expander, through the expanders, through the expander, and expansion will take place. See, expander means what? That is the expansion wall. Okay, so expansion wall means what? On one side of expansion wall you will have very high pressure, on other side you will have the very low pressure. That is called as the expansion wall. So expansion walls are just small area, we can say that pipe or walls are there. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी वॉल्स बघितलेले असतील, पाण्याच्या वॉल्स, पाण्याचे टॅप. तर त्याच्या एक साइडला खूप जास्त प्रेशर असतं आणि तुम्ही ओपन केल्यानंतर दुसऱ्या साइडला ते कमी असतं. So similarly the expansion devices may be used. Okay, so in fridge we are using the capillary tubes as an expansion device. We are using capillary tubes as an expansion device. So when you will pass this high pressure liquid through the capillary tubes, high pressure liquid through the capillary tubes, then the pressure is reduced, and you are knowing that by ideal gas equation जर pressure कमी झालं तर temperature काय होईल? Automatically it is going to be reduced. Pressure if you are reducing, then temperature will be reduced. So you will have the expansion from here, that is capillary tubes, and you will get the very low temperature, that may be 0 degree centigrade with pressure of 1 atmosphere. Pressure काय झालं की आपण इथं 10चं 1 केलं, त्यामुळे काय झालं की temperature again it is going to be reduced. So 0 degree centigrade temperature I have got. Now this refrigerant, if we passed through the fridge with the help of evaporator, see इथं काय असणार आहे की लिक्विड असणार आहे तुमचा, लिक्विड असणार आहे की जे लिक्विड आपण एक्सपांड केलंय. Now this liquid when we will pass through the evaporator, then that evaporation process will occur, because इथं 0 degree centigrade टेम्परेचरचं लिक्विड आहे तुमच्याकडं आणि इथलं जी रूमची टेम्परेचर आहे, म्हणजे आपण जर समजा एअर कंडिशनर कन्सिडर केला तर रूमचं टेम्परेचर किती पाहिजे आपल्याला? 22 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पाहिजे कम्फर्टेबल साठी. किंवा जर तुम्ही फ्रीज कन्सिडर केला तर त्या केसमध्ये इथलं टेम्परेचर आपल्याला कदाचित 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पाहिजे. 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडच्या स्पेस मधून तुम्ही जर 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडचं जर लिक्विड पास केलं तर काय होईल? That will take the heat and it gets evaporated. So heat is taken and it gets evaporated. So you will absorb the heat from the room. फ्रीजर मधून तुम्ही ते heat absorb कराल. You will absorb the heat from the freezer or room for in case of air conditioner, and due to which again the temperature will increase and that will becomes 30 degrees centigrade as that of the whatever the temperature is there, and the cycle is completed, so likewise you can say that there are four components in the refrigeration cycle or heat pump cycle. What is that? That is compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. So these are the four components which are available in the refrigerator or heat pump. So if you are having the fridge, then evaporator will take the heat and condenser will reject the heat. Compressor is getting the work and expansion valve will expand it. So my next assignment to all of you is that you have to take the selfie with your fridge. Yesterday also I had told you this. सगळ्यांनी आपल्या आपल्या फ्रीज बरोबर सेल्फी काढायची. That is selfie with fridge. Okay, so we can say that this assignment